Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. Today guys, I have the Samsung Galaxy A05. So if you have an A05, I'm going to show you to boot into Android recovery. This can be used if you want to wipe the device. Just do a hard reset, alright? So in order to get into Android recovery, you're going to hold the power button and volume up. So you're going to hold both at the same time. Forgive me, I'm doing this with one hand. So that's both power and volume up. Let me demonstrate. Forgive me, as I said, I'm doing this with one hand. So while the device is off, you're gonna press power and volume up. As soon as you see the logo, you can let go of power and keep pressing volume up. All right, there you go. And we're in Android recovery now. And as you can see, you'll use volume up and down to navigate and power to select. All right, so this is the A05 Android recovery screen. And of course, you can see the options there. There is reboot system now to restart, and it will boot into normal mode. Or you can reboot the bootloader. You can apply updates from ADB, apply updates from SD card. You can wipe or factory data reset. That's the one to actually reset device. Wipe cache partition, mount view recovery logs, run graphics tests, or run local tests, or power off. Alright, so what we're going to do here, guys, we're going to use the volume up and down. I'm going to navigate down. You're going to select wipe data and factory reset. Notice that this will erase all the data on your device. Alright, so also if there's a Google account, you'll need to know it and the password, or the device will ask for the Google account. So keep that in mind as indicated there. Alright, so you're going to hit power. Alright, and it's going to give you the option here. And notice the latest warnings. It warns you about being reset. You're going to move down and select factory and data reset. Use power to select. Alright, so I'm not going to do this. I'm not showing you where to find the option. So of course, for you, you're going to factory reset. It's going to do its thing. It's going to return to this main screen. You can see the progress down here. It will tell you what it's doing. When it's completed, and should return it to the main screen. Alright, so once you're here, as you see, this is the main screen. Once you're finished, you can go ahead and reboot system now. And the system will reboot itself and you should return to the normal screen. Alright, as you can see, it's booting back up and it will boot up into its normal screen. Do note that if you do a reset, that it may take longer than normal, meaning that this screen will last longer than normal. Do not worry, that's normal. So I'll allow it to do its thing and complete the process. And as you can see here, guys, it's fully booted back up. And of course, it is now fully back up. And remember, it's going to ask you for your email address and the password. So make sure that you know that, or it's going to have the FRP lock if you do not know the password. But if it's your device, you should know the password. So all should be good. A way to bypass that is that before you reset, go in and delete out your Google account out of your device, or remove it and then do the reset. Alright, so see you in the next one, guys. Ricardo Garden saying bye until next time. Bye.